Asana project management tutorial. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use asana.com as your project management tool. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is that you're going to create your account on Asana and you're just going to enter your email over here and click on sign up. Now, after you have signed up on Asana, this is going to be your basic homepage. So you can see that on your homepage on your left side you have your navigation bar, and on your navigation you have your home section, you have your my tasks section, you have your inbox, reporting, portfolios, and goals, and then you have different kind of panels that you can categorize your work in. Now, if you go on to home, you're going to find all of your work over here, but you can separate different projects using the project section. So I have these different projects, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create project, and you can use a template or import a spreadsheet or even start off with a blank project to design your first new project. You're just going to click on use a template, and then what you're going to do is you're going to select what kind of template that you want. So let's say that I want a meeting agenda template. So I'm just going to click on use template over here, and I'm going to create this project. Now, once I have created this project, you can see that it has been created in my sales section. So this is my sales workplace as well. But if I click on sales and over here, I can just delete some of these little dashboards that I have over here by these three dots. I can just click on delete project, and I can delete these projects as well, the ones that I am done with and the ones that have been completed, or you can archive your projects once they are completed as well. So if I go onto my meeting agenda that I just created, you can see that this is the basic template. Now, on your template, you have your overview, you have your lists, you have your board view, you have timeline, you have calendar views, you have dashboards, you have messages and files, and you can see over here that if we go on to list over here, you can add different tasks. So let's say that I have November agenda, something like that, or November schedule or anything like that. Then you can add all of the tasks that need to be completed in November. Task 1, task 2, whatever it might be. So I'm just going to add task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5, or whatever. But once you create a task, you can actually click on the task over here, and then you can get different details about the task. So you can add different assignees, you can add the due date for the task, you can see what kind of section it's present in, then you can add a detailed description, and then you can add a subtask list as well. So let's say if you have to do meeting 1, meeting 2, meeting 3, like this, you can add subtasks as well, and after that you can ask a question or post updates, and you can add collaborators on the task as well. Now, on your task, you can even like the task, you can add different attachments if you want, and you can copy this task link and share this with certain people as well. Now, over here you can create different fields or columns as well. So if you can click on add project over here, you can add a custom field to your project list, and then you have, this is the basic list view. So if you don't find this view nice, you can go on to board views as well. Now, on your board view, you're going to have like a Kanban view. Some project management tools call it Kanban, some call it a board view. Then you have a timeline view, but this is only available for the premium version of Asana. Then you also have a calendar view where you can see different tasks on the calendar. Then you have a basic dashboard, messages, and files view as well. Now, after that, you can go onto your my tasks section, and I find this section to be very, very helpful because it allows you to do your work without having to access like large workspaces. So if you're working in a large firm, it's going to be a lot more convenient for you to browse directly from the my task section and only look at the work that you have to do that has been assigned to you, instead of having to browse through all of the tasks that are at hand. Then you have your inbox where you can send and receive messages. Then you have your reporting section as well. So then you have your reporting section as well, and this is only available on the premium version of Asana as well. So you can't use the reporting section if you are not subscribed, but it gives you a bit more detail about how your work is going and what is the overall workflow progress. Then you have your portfolios where you can monitor your team's work for different individuals, so you can see how well an individual is working. But this is a feature that is also only available on the premium version of Asana, and you can get a trial for the premium version, but right now I'm running the free version. And then you can even set goals. So you can set like important goals, but these are very custom, so there's not a lot of automation with goals, so I don't really find the purpose of them, but they do help the team stay on track, and that is something that you might want to consider. Now you can see over here that this is my sales section, and within the sales section I have created these different inboxes. But if you want, you can create entirely different projects. So you can see that I have these 3 projects, and let's say I want to delete all of these and I want to start from scratch. Then what I can do is I can create like a singular large project, and then I can add smaller dashboards onto my basic project. So you can see that this is sales, and this is I'm the only member in sales. But if I rename this into, let's say I add a new project, I use the blank one, and I do marketing. So I can create a separate project entirely for the marketing team instead of having sales and marketing be a part of one overall board. So that is one way to differentiate your departments if you want, but I usually would recommend that you create an umbrella workspace and then you add separate tinier projects instead of adding separate workspaces for your team, because in that way that if they ever do need to share information and data, they can easily do that through the Asana platform instead of hop onto a different platform. Now on your overall workspace, you can click on invite teammates and you can add different people to your project. Now you can add certain people to a specific project as well, and you can add them to the overall workspace. Now within your Asana project management tool, this is just for your workspace and your work, but if you're looking for your own account settings, you can find them at the top right over here, and you can click on more and you can click on create new workspace. So over here, let's say this was marketing for a different brand, then I can create a sales for brand B, and I can create an entirely different workspace for that separate company. And this will allow me to keep my work separate for company A and company B. And this is a feature that I find really helpful in Asana and other project management softwares. Now, if we take a look at the pricing of Asana, they have 3 basic plans. First, it's a free version where you get unlimited tasks, projects, messages, activity logs, unlimited file storage with up to 100 megabytes per file. You can collaborate with up to 15 teammates. You have list view projects, board view projects, calendar views, assignees and due dates, project overviews, project briefs, iOS and Android mobile apps. You have time tracking integrations, and you have over 100 integrations that you can add. Now on the premium version, which starts at $11, you have timeline views, unlimited dashboards, reporting across unlimited projects, custom field, advanced search, and unlimited free guests as well. And you can have your own forms, rules, start dates and timers, task templates, milestones, admin consoles, and private teams and projects. And on the business version that starts at $25, you have portfolios, goals, workloads, custom rules builders, forms and branching customization, approvals, proofing, log custom fields, and advanced integrations like Salesforce, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Tableau and Power BI. So overall, I would recommend that you should start using the free version of Asana. I do find that the free version is more than enough for most teams that are working in numbers under than 15. But if you're ever looking to upgrade, the premium version of Asana is actually pretty good. I don't find that you will ever actually really need to upgrade to the business version. The premium version has most to all of the stuff that you're really going to need out of your project management software. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.